Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So my client today came in and she decided that she wanted to do a silk press. But in the midst of us getting ready to start, we noticed that she had a lot of buildup or dandruff on her scalp. This is something that is very common, especially in the crown area of the head. So what I'm going to do today is use our Soothe Me Scalp FL Serum on the scalp only. This serum is created for those who have trouble scalp issues such as dandruff, psoriasis, or even those of you who have hair growth issues from autoimmune diseases such as thyroid disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, lupus, etc. The way the Scalp FL Serum works is you apply it to the scalp only in the areas where you are having the issue. This also helps with itching as well, so it's not just scalp issues, but itchy scalp as well. Once you apply it to the scalp, you're going to want to ensure that you apply it to those areas where you are having the trouble. I can't state that enough. You will go through and you can use the beds of your fingers, or you may also use a comb for those of you that have a lot more buildup than what she had, and you will actually massage it into the scalp. And at this point, her buildup actually was diminished just that fast. So I want you guys to take note. Look at her scalp. I've done nothing more than apply the Scalp FL Serum to her scalp, and look at that buildup gone. So the Scalp FL Serum, or the Soothe Me Scalp FL Serum, will be available this Friday on our website. You are also able to get the shampoo and conditioner, which is our Soothe Me Minty shampoo and Soothe Me Minty conditioner. Now, for those areas that are a little more troubled, if you notice, I did take my comb and go through and lift up the dandruff. But what you don't want to do is scratch the scalp. You can actually create abrasions on the scalp and make the scalp even more sensitive or sore than you started. Okay, so be careful when you're using the comb. Now, for her shampoo, as I said, I'm going to be using the Soothe Me Minty shampoo and conditioner. Now, the Scalp FL Serum, it's not a heavy serum. So it's still an oil-based serum, but in order for me to be able to extract a lot of that excess oil, I go through with just a cheap clarifying shampoo of any kind, and I apply it to the hair when it is dry. This is what I call a dry shampoo. There is something called a dry shampoo, but we're not talking about that product. This is merely me using shampoo on her hair while it is dry to help remove that excess oil before I start her wash day, okay? This is something that you can also do at home. If you have a lot of oil on your hair, you can dry shampoo it first, and that is going to help you extract a lot of that oil before you actually go through and use your treatment shampoos and actually get your hair started in regards to whatever treatment you choose. Once I lather her up with the shampoo on her hair and her scalp, then I will go through and apply just a little bit of water to get a little extra lather, but I don't wet the hair down in its entirety. Once I've lathered up the entire head, I go through with a little bit of cool water and rinse all of that shampoo off. The reason that I use cool water is because when you use cool water on any type of oil-based product, especially coconut oil-based products, which this particular product is not coconut oil-based, but cool water actually helps to extract the oil better than warm water does. For some strange reason, whatever chemistry is behind it, cool water extracts the oil better than warm water does. I think because it kind of solidifies the oil, it makes it more somewhat of a solid, especially for coconut oil. Now, once I rinse out her hair in regards to the dry shampoo that we just did, this is when I actually start the actual wash day, and I start using our treatment shampoo, which is the Soothe Me Minty shampoo. And with our products, a little goes a very long way. So I apply it to the hair, go through. You can give your client a nice scalp massage, a nice scrub, just very, very soothing. The Soothe Me shampoo is very cool to the scalp, but it's not unbearable. It is not a burning sensation. It is a very soothing, minty, and cooling sensation, especially to the scalp. So it's extremely relaxing. When you are applying your shampoo, yes, I know you want to go through and scrub, but be mindful that you are dealing with a client that may have scalp issues, and too much scrubbing can cause even more sensitivity. So be careful how much you scrub. Now, once you have completed the shampoo, you do want to make sure that you are rinsing with warm water at this point, because it is now a regular shampoo. You rinse it with warm water, not hot water, but warm. I can't state that again. Warm water, not hot water. Hot water to a client that have scalp sensitivities or scalp issues is like pouring a kettle on their head, and that actually creates even more sensitivity for the client. So that's something that I learned over the years, so you're welcome to that pro tip. Now, once you've completed the shampoo service, you can go through and use your conditioner, which in her case, I'm going to be using the Soothe Me Minty conditioner. Now, these 3 products are available as a bundle kit this coming Friday, or you can get them individually. But for a client here, I actually did not have to do multiple shampoos. So I only did 2 shampoos, and now I'm using the conditioner. Now with the conditioner, you'd want to place it on the hair and then of course to the scalp as well. The conditioner also has some really nice cooling agents in it. It does actually help to soothe the scalp and at the same time condition the hair without drying the hair out, as though any of those other products that you may see. Some products that have that cooling sensation actually dry the hair out more than they help. So with the Soothe Me conditioner, it doesn't actually dry the hair out, and you are able to go through and start your detangling process as you would with any moisturizing conditioner. So, listen, this conditioner is giving you everything in one place. We want to make sure that we make life very easy for you. Now, of course, when you're detangling the hair, you want to make sure that you're detangling from the ends and working your way up. That's very important. And if your client has a great density of hair, or if you are doing this yourself and you have a great density of hair, don't be afraid to split the hair up and do it section by section. If you're going to do it section by section, just apply a processing cap to the sections that you are not messing with, and that'll make it a lot easier for you to detangle as you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this pro tip video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, or if you're new to my IG page, please don't forget to hit that follow button. I'll see you guys this Friday.